Welcome back. My name's Dre. I help men master the journey. In this video, I want to go over self-love. This is a question that I get asked quite a lot. Dre, how do I love myself? How do I have more care for myself? I just can't get over that hump of, defeating thoughts, limiting beliefs. Why do I trash talk myself all the fucking time? Look, man, we have access to so much shit. You don't need any more. You don't need to consume any more content. You don't need to read any more freaking books. You don't need to learn any new exercises. Do the ones you know and see what happens. This, my friend, is exactly the problem that I see with so many men. And I'm gonna teach you how to do this by simply letting go of the weights. We're gonna go a little bit deep here, and I'm gonna show you exactly how you can have self-love easily, and why it's so important. So stick with me, stay till the end of this video. Before we begin, I wanna quickly announce that I have a meditation course in the description. There's a free one, there's a pre-order one. Check them out, my friend, they will do you right. Now look, self-love. The one thing that you have to understand, you have to get this. You already love yourself. Your state of being, your level of consciousness already is that of love. It is the highest level of consciousness. That's who you are. Meditate. You have never taken the time to separate yourself from this physical being, which is highly impressionable. And you've allowed that to overcome your true consciousness. Not good, man. Not good. This is the recipe for disaster. If you truly want to have love and appreciation and accept yourself, just let go. And everything that is keeping you from having that is your doing, and there are weights on your conscious being. Let them go. Now, you might ask, I don't even know what to let go of, man. What do I let go of? Do I let go of, bad friends, past relationships, the food I eat? What do I let go of? I don't know. I could give you a really good example of the commonalities that I see within people that they tend to need to let go of, but that's not going to help you. You know what's going to help you is teaching you how to see the problem for yourself, because you're different than me and I'm different than you. Our paths, even if they were the same, if we're on the same little journey, our problems and the weights that are holding us down that we put there through the many years we've been alive, I can't see that. Only you can see that. And the only person that can tell you where they are and what they are within your being is you, man. That's it. There's no other way to put this. I know that people will click on this video and be like, oh, how do I do this? Just tell me the thing. Tell me the thing. There is no fucking thing. There isn't. If you want to just sit around and, watch content and never do shit about it and never learn the thing, go for it and stay stuck and stay unhappy and get worse and worse and worse over time. Don't do that to yourself. Please don't. All you have to do is take 10 minutes out of your day every day and consistently doing this through meditation. Sit with yourself, breathe. Just go deep. Allow yourself to rest and settle. By doing this often, you'll see one day you'll have a breakthrough. And this, I know you've heard of this if you've researched meditation or anything on the spiritual side. Those breakthroughs cause the physical body to cry, to react. Because that's when the tables turn. You're literally telling this other thing, you are telling it, you're not in control. I am in control. from that point, that's when your life begins. So where does self-love actually come from? From within. How do we gain self-love? By going within and learning what is keeping us held down from being who we truly are, which is love. I know that sounds hippy-dippy and spiritual and woo-woo and all out there. Trust me, man. In my life, I have never been a hippy-dippy person. I have truly been like a metalhead, a punk rocker. I've gone through all those phases of the absolute opposite of what you think the hippy-dippy thing is. And for me to come to that conclusion should tell you right there, that is true. Look, man, when you separate from that hipster idea of classifying yourself as something and learn that this doesn't work, what works? That's what works. Letting go of all of that bullshit, the identity you tell yourself, the things you've learned, and going deep and learning more in a different way from the person that it matters the most, from you. We have all of it inside of us. It's wonderful. If you want to wake up every morning and have a psychedelic journey into your mind, into your subconscious, and have fun, it's amazing. It's amazing. Sometimes it's even scary. It can be very crazy. You may see spirit animals, your higher self, maybe some dimensional being. You have no idea the cool journeys, just mind-blowing things that can happen when you go inside. When you stop letting all this control you, man. Especially now, it's so crazy. The media is a big one, man. If you are consistently watching TV, the news, stop. Just stop, man. Who cares what the fuck is going on in politics? Who cares what's going on in the world? Just stop. It's not like if you miss a week, it's going to get better. Or you're not, oh my God, if I don't keep up with things, oh my God. No, you're continually keeping yourself in a fucking hole. Separate from that person. Let go of that. Go within. See what's in there. It is way better. It is way better, my friend. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you take away something valuable. Comment down below. I'll see you in the next one, man. Peace.